Welcome back to our last vlog of our new home series. If you've been watching from the beginning, you know the process that we've been through. We essentially bought a brand new home, tore it apart, put it all back together again. You know the amount of work, labor, and love that we have put into this. If you haven't gotten to see the entire series, by all means, please go do so. I will link it above here. But it is now coming to an end, and it's such a sweet taste of success from the work that we've done.
Yes, we've been doing a lot of organizing and getting it ready for the last minute touches that we have to do. We do have something special coming up, so we are trying to finish it all before then. We are going to have a pet sitter for the babies, so we want to definitely make sure we get it taken care of before then. But before we get too far in the video, I want to thank Clayton Homes. I want to thank Val for helping us out at Cedar Creek Clayton Homes. She did an awesome job from the start to the finish.
Yeah.
And it started last summer during our situation. We went out and saw her and worked with her throughout the whole last year, basically, of finding the home that fit us. And she's been watching all the videos, so hey Val. She is proud of what we've been able to do with the home. I mean, it was a good home to start with, but we just put our personal touches on it.
So on our last video, she actually left a comment stating that we have ended up turning a stock single wide home into essentially a custom home, and it's pretty accurate. I mean, there's things in here that I have put blood, sweat, and tears into making this our own. So in this video, you are going to see us, like Ryan said, putting the finishing touches on, but also it'll be the final reveal. So please stick around till the end so that you can watch that.
So without further ado, let's go get our stuff done.
All right guys, so now that we have moved our furniture in, we are definitely on the finishing touches. And since I have a day off today, I am going to be tackling some small last minute touches. So what I'm doing right now is I will be hanging our shelves that we're putting above our laundry room. So we have two. They're both identical and they're going to be staggered. So one will be here and then the next one will be like up here. So I got the mount on the wall now. So what I had to do with this one is there's only one stud that it's touching, and it's right here. So this screw is screwed into a stud. I have on either side here, I have drywall anchors in, which should help support some of that weight. We're not going to weigh these down too much, but our laundry soap and stuff like that will be up here. So that first mount is up, and now it's time to attach the shelf to the actual mount. Alright, so first shelf is up and ready to go. Next will be the second one. So now all of my shelves are hung. I say all, it was two of them. But they look really good right here. It just kind of ties the laundry room together a little bit because it was such a wide open space. So I like that staggered look too. It looks good. So while he's getting our bathtub cleaned up because it acted as a storage facility for so long, next step is to get our guest bedroom set up. There's that beautiful wall that I'm in love with and so many of you guys have commented about. So that's the next step. And I also need to just hang this wall and this wall of crown molding baseboards are done on there. So yeah, it looks like a lot, but I promise you it is almost done. Alright, so I've started putting together the bed for the guest room. So this is actually a day bed with a trundle that slides out to make it into essentially a king bed. This will be two twin mattresses, and these are our mattresses here. So I started putting it together. It is quite large, but that is good. It's going to be a really nice guest bed. Alright, so there the frame all is put together. The ribs are on. It's ready for that top mattress, and then I'm about to start constructing the bottom trundle part that slides underneath it that holds another mattress. All right, and there she is. Bed frame is done. Here is the trundle underneath that rolls out. So now it's time to pop open the mattresses and let them get to work. So while Ryan is in here getting the guest bedroom set up, I am in the process of hanging curtains. So I just got one of our living room sets hung. I love them. So these are like a mustard, almost velvet drape, and I absolutely love it. So they're gonna go here, they're gonna go on that window as well as the window off of the kitchen. And now I'm getting the next rod to start hanging the curtains in the guest room. They're more of like a sheer gray color. It's gonna look really good against that black wall. So we are working away over here.